Welcome back to Wide World of Wendy's Vlogmas. We've cooked, we've cleaned, we've cried a little, we've panicked a little, and look at us, we're on day 20. We're on day 20 and we're rounding up some of our very favorite sides, from stuffing, mashed potatoes, gravy, and that delicious breakfast casserole that everyone keeps asking about. Because you know what? If you've got those 4 on your table, you're golden. So let's start with Mom's stuffing. You've got celery, onion, garlic, and mushrooms sauteed in butter until tender, and then mixed with that Pepperidge Farm stuffing and just enough chicken stock to stay moist. Then you bake it low and slow until those golden brownie-like edges come across. That's the good stuff right there. That's the kind everybody sneaks a bite of before dinner. I swear, if comfort had a scent, it would be that stuffing. Next up, mashed potatoes. Half white, half russet. Boiled and drained, but save that little bit of water. That's one of the secrets. 1 stick of butter, a splash of milk, and my rule: mix on medium speed only. Otherwise, you're just 1 whisk away from potato glue. Finish with 12 shakes of black pepper, no more, no less, and you've got silky, creamy perfection. Then there's the gravy, the one I used to dread. Start with your drippings, whisk in a cornstarch and water mix, and keep stirring like your holiday sanity depends on it. Get that to a hard simmer, let it thicken, and then taste, taste, taste. Mom's voice was in my head every time. Keep stirring, honey, it's not done yet. Glossy, savory, and lump-free. Mom would be proud. And yours will be too. And finally, the hero of the holiday morning, the sausage and egg breakfast casserole. You can make it the night before, pop it in the fridge, and bake it when you wake up. Golden, cheesy, and feeds the whole crowd without you missing a single coffee refill. It's the kind of recipe that gets you applause in your Jennies. These are the kind of dishes that remind you to keep it simple, lean on tradition, and use what works. These are the flavors that bring everyone to the table, fill your kitchen with laughter, and make the holiday feel real. And the best part, you can make them all without losing your mind. Thank you for spending another cozy Vlogmas with me today. We are almost at the finish line. Now, subscribe, take a deep breath, and remember, those holiday side dishes don't have to be perfect to make perfect memories. See you tomorrow.